Struggling to keep your audience excited before your event? Many event organizers don't know what to send or how often, and end up with newsletters people ignore. By the way, if you're looking for real examples and expert tips, we've put together a full guide on crafting newsletters that actually get read. It's called How to Design Event Newsletters That Engage Readers and Drive Attendance. You'll find the link down in the description. All right, let's get into it. Here's how you can create a simple, reusable newsletter template that keeps your audience in the loop, step by step. Step 1. Add a branded header. Start with your event name or logo at the top. Use brand colors and a clear subject line, something that makes people want to open the email. Step 2. Write a catchy intro. Grab attention right away with a short, friendly intro. Think of it like a welcome message. Keep it upbeat and relevant to the reader. Step 3. Share key updates or highlights. Use this space to include speaker announcements, early bird deals, agenda updates. Whatever gets people excited. Break it into sections if needed. Step 4. Add a strong call to action. Every newsletter should guide readers to do something. Register, view the agenda, share with a friend, make your CTA button bold and clear. Step 5. Include footer details. Wrap it up with contact info, social links, and an unsubscribe option. Keep it clean and stick to a consistent format across all your newsletters. And that's how you create an event newsletter template that saves time and keeps your audience in the loop. Need more inspiration? Check out our full blog with examples, pro tips, and a free template. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your event newsletter. Like, share, and subscribe for more event planning tips.